Hello everyone, this is a short video on my Opinel traditional number 9 carbon steel knife. The knife has a 3.5 inch carbon steel blade with a 4 3/4 inch Beechwood handle. Overall it's 8 1/4 inches and it weighs 2 ounces. The knife features a Virobloc locking ring and the blade is locked now. With a slight turn you release the blade and you're able to close it, and then a slight turn and you lock the blade in to the handle. It's a nice Beechwood handle. It says Opinel, Savoie, France, Carbone for the carbon steel blade. These knives have been made in France since 1890. The Beechwood handle has a nice design. Again, slightly turn the safety ring to release the blade and turn it back again to lock it in. The knife has a nail notch on this side of the blade, and it says Opinel Carbone with the crowned hand hallmark etching from Opinel. It says number 9 and made in France on the safety ring. The knife has a little up and down blade play, but hardly any left to right blade play. It is recommended to keep a coating of mineral oil on the blade to prevent any rusting and to keep the blade having a nice smooth motion into the handle, opening and closing. It's a classic knife, the Opinel number 9. It fits really good in my hand. I wear an extra large size glove and I like this size. It's a good EDC knife or work knife. It's a drop point design blade with a convex grind. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Take care.